Recently, the Dehancer team reached out and asked me to try their film emulsion tools, and I was curious to see how their tools could bring out the mood on my travel videos. The cool thing is, you don't need to overthink it. You can just start making changes right away. With just a few tweaks, I can soften the highlight, add natural grain, and bring out the tones of classic film stock. It feels less like working with numbers and more like shaping the mood. Even on my iPad, I can still easily access all the features. It's simple, but they really make a difference. I love the film compression. It makes everything flow so smoothly, just like a movie. The blue Mavic is perfect for those soft light moments. And of course, the film grain adds that classic texture that makes your footage feel alive. For me, the only downside is it can feel a little bit pricey. And I really hope they make a plug-in version for DaVinci Resolve on the iPad. It would be amazing to edit and color grade seamlessly right there. If you want your travel videos to feel like a movie, Dehancer is definitely worth checking out. And if you want to try it yourself, you can use my promo code Stillearth22 for 10% off. Kind of a little thank you for joining me on these adventures. Thanks for watching, and remember, sometimes the best memories are the ones you capture, and sometimes the one you just live.